Lost hours of design work after a CorelDRAW crash, there might be an ABK backup file sitting on your hard drive ready to save the day. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and here's how to recover your project from these automatic backup files. Let's take a preventative approach first. A universal viewer can often read an ABK file even if its header is corrupt. Stay tuned for more info on my specific software suggestion. ABK files are automatic backup files, generated by CorelDRAW at user-defined intervals during active editing sessions. They preserve a recent snapshot of your design work and serve as a recovery mechanism in the event of application, crashes, power failures, or accidental closure without saving. ABK files are automatic backup files, generated by CorelDRAW at user-defined intervals during active editing sessions. They preserve a recent snapshot of your design work and serve as a recovery mechanism in the event of application, crashes, power failures, or accidental closure without saving. The core association for the ABK file points directly to CorelDRAW developed by Corel Corporation. The file's embedded objects and layers require specialized software for full access. Windows provides only limited information, so full examination relies on the appropriate backup program. Your essential first step is the Open With action. Right-click the ABK file and select Open With. If CorelDRAW is installed, select it. If not, choose another program. Every app deserves a chance to open the file. If the ABK file is still giving you trouble, relax. Since the file is so resistant, we need to turn to direct testing. Follow this list and test these failure points to see where the problem originates. First, locate the backup file. Navigate to CorelDRAW's Auto Backup folder, typically found at C Users, Your Name Documents, Corel and Corel Content, or within the temp directory configured in Tools, then Options, then Save. Look for files matching your project name with the ABK extension. Next, rename to CDR Format. Right-click the ABK file and rename the extension from ABK to CDR. This allows CorelDRAW to recognize the backup as a standard drawing file. Keep the original ABK file as a secondary backup before attempting the rename in case of corruption. Finally, open in CorelDRAW. Launch CorelDRAW and use File, then open to load the renamed CDR file. Review the recovered artwork and compare it with any other saved versions. Save immediately under a new file name using File then Save, as to prevent overwriting the backup file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.